Hello, this is my metal model kit collection for 2019 in the beginning of 2020. F-15 Eagle. My Tyrannosaurus Rex skeleton. This has a lot of ribs on it. See, that's the face. Going towards all the ribs, those are all individual pieces. My stag beetle. You can see the little antennas, and look at the, I don't know if you can see that, little tiny feet, pretty small. Oh shoot, I just dropped my flower. I guess we're gonna look at that. This is the golden rose. This is the one I have a video of. All the others I built without taking a video. My golden rose. It's quite beautiful. This is the box. Piece cool. Battleship. Missouri class by Meta Earth Iconics. I wonder how close we can get to the detail on this. You can see like the little guns. I don't know how well you can see that actually. It's a bunch of little tiny fragile pieces. All the guns. This is the Apache that my mom broke, so I'm missing the stand. It's supposed to have a stand, like the plane here. A very similar stand, but it's somewhere in a box probably. I don't know. She also broke one of this thing. Oh, it spins too, which is really cool. A pain to build though. Oh, details. Wonder what kind of details you can see. Got your missile launchers and your front arm machine gun, probably like a 50 caliber or something. Real nice. World War II tanks. This is from, well, I got it in a set from Barnes & Noble. This is the box. I think it was a Barnes & Noble exclusive set box. But I mean, you can buy them individually too. I think it was just cheaper in a box. But since then, they've come out with a lot more tanks. Lisa. Oh, USA. This is the Tiger. So, Sherman, probably USA. And then this is the T-34, which I guess is Russian. I forget. I don't know too much things about tanks. I just like them because they're cool looking. Oh no, I just dropped my flower. Oh my gosh. My Humvee. This is a dope looking car. I mean, not car. Jeep variant. This pipe though, obviously as you can see, it's not straight. That was a bit to build. Not gonna lie. Open doors. These are National Treasure chimes from China, I believe. Micro World. There's a lot of bells. A lot of bells. But it's a pretty cool set, not gonna lie. My mom messed this up too, pretty bad. Parents. So here we go, different angles. I guess the black background doesn't help with a black subject. And then here's one of my favorite ones. The flower is also pretty cool, but my peacock. Beautiful. This was actually not as hard as it looks. But look at those colors. I wonder how... Oh, I guess you just have to look at the feathers. It's a decent size. This thing is literally the size of my hand. I like the stand. I think the stand's really detailed. Let's get a nice look at the stand. It's got a pretty cool decoration. Set that aside. Oh no, I've dropped this so many times. These stands are very tiny. Let's go to the macaw, or the parrot, Jubilee macaw. As it says on the box over there. I was actually really worried about these because the rings were actually really heavy. And as you can see, it seems to be kind of dipping. I've had this for a while too. So I guess gravity is doing work on it. But I love the tail. The tail part is really nice. And then my most expensive set or object is the Scorpion Swords from the new anime, I believe. Not new, but new series of an old anime. Red Devil Scorpion. That's what it says on the box at least, but I'm pretty sure it has a different name. But take a look at the cannon. Those claws. This tail. This guy's face. Oh, there's a glare. They even made eyes. If you can see it. You can see the eyes. There we go. That's like a pupil.